Strategies for patenting 3D printing sustainable materials. Sustainable materials are biodegradable, recyclable, or renewable, such as REPIT, bioplastics, and plant-based filaments. Patentable aspects of sustainable materials, innovations like novel material compositions, unique production methods for sustainable filaments, and specialized 3D printing applications can be patented. Protect sustainable innovations with utility patents for material properties, process patents for manufacturing methods, and design patents for 3D printed eco-products. Collaboration with patent attorneys. Partnering with patent attorneys ensures robust claims for technical innovations, addresses regulatory challenges, and tailors IP strategies for global markets. Future innovations include AI-driven material design, advanced recycling techniques for 3D printing filaments, and growth in bioplastics and renewable resources. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.